dinner, and today is like I was surprised because if you guys know Snow White, the pregnant kitty cat, it's like her stomach got small. Like when she came here just now, like 20 seconds ago, it's like, and at her back there's like little blood. So I think she gave birth or she got into a fight. So let's look. Come on. Stay tuned for the happiness of me. So we're going. Okay. She is now here. Come here. Come here, Snow White. Come up. Come on. Okay, good. You see that her stomach got small. And then, if you look there, she has blood. Her stomach got, her stomach got smaller. If I feel there's like I think no more babies. I think there's no more babies, right? There's like the expanded skin is here. Oh, okay. If you guys can feel, she is using my phone as a scratcher for her mouth. Okay, baby. Okay, I'm making a video. Can you please stand up? No? Come on. Stand up. Come on. Please. I'll give you foodie. Come on. Come on. Just move a little. Please. No, stand up. Please. Okay, fine. I'm just gonna do like this. Sorry. Like if you see that, there's like expanded skin. Yeah. Baby. Stop scratching. Okay, I'll scratch you. Like expanded skin there. I feel it very squishy. Stop scratching. Baby, I'm making a video. Wanna be famous? Yeah. I'm making this video for you. Okay? So yeah. Okay, wait. Move. Just gonna push her a little. Okay, baby. Okay. Thank you. You see that blood? If you guys did, yeah, then like on like the one of my videos, the like my kitty cat Snow White's pregnant. Like I told you guys that she's gonna give birth on June 18. But now I have no idea when did she got pregnant. So now I'm just really afraid her baby's dead, or maybe she got into a fight and then her baby's like kabloosh, dead again. How are you? Okay. She wants to be on the TV more. Yeah? You see, guys? This one, there's like expanded skin. It feels squishy. So yeah, she's looking at something. What are you looking at? What is she looking at? She's looking at something. Oh! I saw that there was like a bird. She was trying to like catch it. Oh, I have no idea what happened. Let's go at the back. Run! It's like blue wood. Let's see what happened. You guys can see. She's licking her buttocks. Her butthole. What happened? There was a birdie? Yeah, there was a birdie. Oh, who's a birdie? I think I ruined the hatch. So like I was like saying, what was that? So yeah, thanks guys for watching. And if you guys have any idea what happened to the babies, then leave it in the comments below. Like me and subscribe me by the link below. So Mama 13.